Hello, my name is FLOWCHA. I am the owner of an online store called FLOWCHA Fashion X Beauty, which is at flowchesters.com. We are a one-stop shop for active wear and unique personal care products for both ladies and gents. Okay, so it's really all about the products. Our products, we carry a whole bunch of products, but we have very unique products which cater to very unique problems, like specific issues. For example, I'll mention a bunch. So this one here I'm wearing, it's anti-cellulite, and what this does, I mean, we ladies know that a little bit of cellulite, we do not mind, but when it starts becoming a lot of it, these leggings come in hand. The material and also the finishing design, it's made to target the problem of your cellulite. So your buttocks, your thighs, legs, abdomen. So when you're going to work out or you are just wearing them casually, they push to the circulation of blood. And that helps with elimination and immunization of cellulite. And the second one, it's adjustable body posture corrector. And this one is for both ladies and gents. We know people are staying at home, working at home, and you are sitting around. And your body posture, especially your back, you can start bending and having things dispositioning, not in a good way. So this corrector, it actually helps. You can adjust it and you're comfortable. You can use it for working out. You can also move around with it, and it really helps with your back and your body posture, you could say. The third one is actually my favorite. It's we call it a hip trainer muscle device. It helps Kegel exercise. For those who do Kegel exercise, it's really good for bladder muscle control and stuff like that. Kind of motivates you, because sometimes doing Kegel by itself, you forget. But if you have the device that reminds you and you go to the gym or at home, you can put it between your buttocks and do the exercise, and it helps you with that whole area. And then the fourth one is for gents. You know, the cooling aftershave. The cooling aftershave, you know, most aftershave are bunched with chemicals and stuff. But this one contains aloe vera and cucumbers with soothing, you know, aftershave and stuff like that. And the fifth one is head massager. We're in a lot of stress in 2020. So it's like a claw head massager, electrical. You plug it there and it stimulates you. More stress starts on the muscles on your head. They kind of tightening a lot. So this helps relaxing and loosening the muscles, which eventually helps you just chill. The sixth one is anti-wrinkle roller. This is very good for the face, but it's made from jade stones, and jade stones are really good because they absorb negative energy. I mean, those who know energy, if you do not know about energy, you should do research about energy. You can actually massage on your face, really soothing your face and all wrinkles and everything. It's also helping absorbing negative energy from your face. Talking about uniqueness, that's what's unique about our store. So, I mean, I have always been passionate about beauty, particularly makeup, and I have been working, in the industry for quite some time. I started in Canada with a bunch of different brands, and eventually I moved back home in Tanzania, worked with different brands as well, makeup, and eventually opened my own shop. And over the years, I had enough time, and I'm talking about lots of years. Probably 10 now. I had been able to listen to customers' problems, like you hear what people want and start talking about the other problems they have. And because I got all this information over the years, I realized, you know what? At some point, I'm going to have to open an online store that cater to all these problems. But I was thinking more like 2 years to come. And being here in the States, the US, I got started here because of COVID-19. And guess what? I took a bunch of e-commerce courses because I was still not going back home. I was like, you know what? There's actually an opportunity here. E-commerce is booming. Why not open now? Why not start now? So I started it. And fashion is something that comes when you are into beauty industry. And I worked with different fashion stores back home. One of them actually modeled for them. Sally, shout out. I borrowed so much out of me, but I wanted to focus on solving specific problems. People wear for me, it seemed like it was solving a very specific problem, because you could find some activewear like this one, anti-cellulite leggings, you know, things like that, or female sports bra, which really helps a lot of female bags, things like that. You can find all of them at flowchester.com.